All right, I'm Joel and welcome back. So now we're going to show you another cool tool. This is Bing.com. This is basically owned by Microsoft Search, competitor to Google Search, and they have their own chat tool or AI tool, and they call it Bing.com/chat. So you can type in the address, or you can go to Bing.com and click on chat right here. It'll bring up their generative AI platform. And again, we're going to show you what I'm going to go through quickly here. What are the use cases as a travel agent for using all these AI tools? And I'm going to go over quickly some of the prompts and how it works in Bing. So, a couple of points I was going to bring up is should you fear AI? My quick answer was yes, yes, but not right now. Again, I feel like most people overestimate the AI impact in the short term, right? And they underestimate the AI impact over the long term, meaning 5 to 10 years from now, it's going to be quite insane because this technology is progressing exponentially. Um, yeah, so some of the jobs that there's not a lot of jobs being replaced by AI right now, right? But people are using AI and getting hired. So yeah, I definitely think there's that. You're not going to have fear losing your job, being replaced by a robot or an AI tool, um, being replaced by AI, but you will be replaced by somebody who learns how to use AI if you don't get on board and learn these tricks quick. So that's the short take. Now let's go on this second page here. I've got listed some use cases. So example, I treat this AI tool, in this case, bing.com/chat, I treat it as an assistant. And so in my travel agency work, whatever I'm doing, there's multiple tasks. I wear multiple hats because I'm an agency owner, but sometimes I'm doing posts on the website. So blog posts, sometimes I'm writing descriptions, sometimes I'm writing pages on an ebook, sometimes I'm doing editing, sometimes like video editing, right? Sometimes I'm doing posts different. So like articles on LinkedIn or posts on Facebook or again doing a script and recording a video for TikTok or Instagram or even YouTube, right? All these different tasks require me to learn new skill set, and I can lean on AI tools to help me do that faster, save some time, save some money. And a lot of the actual tasks I had been outsourcing. So you can go to fiverr.com, fiverr.com, and you can outsource and have people do video editing for you. Okay. But that still costs money and there's still a back and forth and there's still work managing somebody who's doing the work. In this case, you can just use an AI tool. So fantastic. So for all these different use cases, one that's really great is the itineraries. Like I've been to 90 countries. I've been around the world, and so I have that experience and I know a lot of ports, but this is spread over 20, 30 years. So the last time I was in Turkey, for example, was 1998. I wouldn't lean on my memory of these ports. I would want to go and refresh. And one cool way of doing that is asking ChatGPT or asking Bard.com or Bing.com, what to do in those ports. So assistance with what tours to do, with what sites to see, et cetera, et cetera. So this is really good. But now, how does it differ from just regular Bing.com asking me for the 6 best restaurants in that city? How does it differ from going to Google and asking what's the best restaurant in this city, or what's the best museum, or how do I get from point A to point B? Well, what we do with these AI tools is we set up the frame of mind that the robot's going to take and how they answer us. Okay, so what we're doing is we're setting it up. We're prompting them, is the term they use in the industry. So we're going to type a prompt instead of typing a question. Um, and so to make it simple, I usually just start with, as a social media marketing expert, then blah, 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 create a post for me. Or as a travel agent, please write a short Instagram video script, etc. So that's how I would do it. And I'll show you now. So it says ask me anything. So I'll say, hmm, as a travel writer, please write a short article on the best tours in Ephesus, Turkey. And it's off to the races. Well, there you go. So now it's going to link. And so the main difference between Bing.com chat and bard.google.com and chat.openai.com. So chat.openai is not live on the internet, and Bard is through Google, and Bing Chat is through Bing. So it will give you links that are live. It will get information that is live. It will give you, like in this case, it is actually answering with tours and hyperlinks to the tour companies. So I do feel this is way better than ChatGPT for these types of things. Learn more, go to TripAdvisor, turkeythings.com, toursbylocals.com. Those are legitimate tour. I mean, you may even be an affiliate or an agency set up with toursbylocals.com, and you can go there and get the tours and then sell it to your clients and make a commission. So it's exactly the type of thing that you want to do. Now, again, I got to remind you that just like using an assistant, I wouldn't ask an assistant to write a blog post and take it and immediately post it on my social media. I would edit it and proof it first. So with this, I would take it, double check, make sure that the links that they're giving you, that the tours are still the right time of day, or that the companies are still in business. If they're open on any days that your guests are going, if there's holidays, etc., just do the extra. But this is giving you the foundation, is doing the bulk of the research for you in seconds. So don't be lazy. Do a little bit of work and make sure that it's legit and it has everything you need, and then go a step further and get the times, get the tickets, get the ticket prices, and you can quickly craft a proposal. And yeah, exactly. So maybe that's what I want to do next. So as a travel agent, please generate the proposal email in for the first tour option above. And now, do I need to have a folder or a software that has email templates? Not anymore. I can just go here and say, please craft an email for blank, blank, blank. So here it's going to do an email proposal very specific to the tour that it just suggested. Again, copy, paste. I hear this is my suggestion for the tour that you're looking to do when you're in Ephesus that day. I would use you can use this again. You can use bing.com/chat to create email templates for you, especially something like where a client of yours cancels, and if they cancel and you want to charge them a cancellation fee, and it's a difficult conversation to have, you don't know how to word it, then let's see. So as a travel agent who needs to charge a $40 cancellation fee to a client who canceled a cruise, please write a professional, courteous email asking for the approval to charge the $40 cancellation. And let's see what happens. So now I don't have to think about how to word it. I just have to think of how to prompt the AI, and the AI will word it for me. I copy paste it into my email. I make some quick edits, etc. But this is great. Lean on these tools as assistants to save time in your business. It's that simple.